Yeah, what's up people, it's Triple A TV and today we come in a video to make Guinness stout. And so yeah, so we decided the video when I show the preparation and things that I need to make the Jagan some, but this is how I make my Jagan style. Jagan. What is this Jagan? Guinness. Yeah, Guinness. Irish mash. Love this from back home. This is the one with the peanut. And they have another Irish mash. This is one without the peanut. And now we got a nutriment. Something almost like Supagen. Tastes like Supagen, but it's not Supagen. Yeah, this can use though. Yeah. And we have 3 cubes of ice. I crushed up in it. And then we have the cinnamon. We have the ground nutmeg. So I mix all of that together now. So alright, let's start now. Start already?
Yeah, percent.
So let's start some food already. Got the plantain, fried plantain. I got the curry chicken, got the rice and peas. So now I gotta mix a Guinness stout. So the preparation, everything did already. So we go ahead and let's start it. You can throw anyone you want to throw in first. It doesn't matter if everything I mix it together. So I throw one bucket of Guinness. We're gonna throw in the Irish mash. We're gonna throw in the another Irish mash, which is a peanut. This is the original vanilla, and this is a make sure you shake it up first. Call him a drink, a strong back drink, you know what I mean? You know you can mash up something tonight, the chicken, you know what I mean? Yeah. Now mash up tonight because I say, I mean, I'm just saying. Yeah, this is the strawberry flavor, so throw it in with it. And then we have the Quaker Oats. I already did throw some inside the blender already. So yeah. Now we're going to mix it up with some nutmeg, give like a flavor. So it's good amount but not too much. Now we have some cinnamon. So you know cinnamon smells good, so I get the kind of flavor from the juice. And now you're gonna throw in your 3 high stem. Now we're gonna blend it up. Gonna blend it up and say go. I'm gonna wash out this first. Get to mix it up. And now everything is done. You pour it out in a cup now. Show everything. So. And there we go, you guys. Stout. But I go again and give it the taste a test, the taste. Tastes really good. You can taste every single thing. You can taste it, nothing make you can taste the cinnamon. Not to mention the Guinness, which is the strongest right now. I guess this was a good, well done drink. I mean, after you drink this now, I want to give it like an half hour to 1 hour. I want to give it an half hour to 1 hour to get the result. The Guinness mash, aka Strongback/Strongback. Today, my name Juice. All the man out there, make sure you go out and buy them ingredients and make this juice. That's when you make it. I see the performance for that night. She want to make that juice every single night. Triple L TV, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, and share the video again. Zin?